Have you ever sat in a morning report totally blank on what distinguishes systolic from diastolic heart failure under pressure? Or panicked mid-rotation trying to remember the difference between prerenal azotemia and ATN? You're not alone, and that's exactly why the ACP Internal Medicine Board Review 2016 is still one of the most reliable, high-yield review courses for med students, IM residents, and even practicing physicians. What makes this course stand out isn't just the content, it's the way it's delivered. Systematic, focused, and tailored for real exam performance. In less than 3 minutes per topic, you'll hear expert breakdowns of the most board-relevant diseases: hypertension, diabetes, CHF, CKD, rheumatologic pearls, you name it. One of the best parts? The clinical vignettes. Each module walks you through how to think like an internist, how to prioritize differentials, interpret labs, and avoid the traps boards love to set. It's not about memorizing obscure factoids, it's about mastering the reasoning process. Need help with cardiology? There's an entire section that simplifies murmurs, EKG interpretations, and heart block algorithms so clearly it feels like bedside teaching. Struggling with endocrinology or ID? You'll get pattern recognition frameworks that make tough diagnoses like DKA or endocarditis almost second nature. If you're serious about acing your internal medicine boards, or just being a better doctor on the wards, this is a must-have resource. And here's the best part. You can get access to the full video series